It's open, they're up and racing. Antoine Dugo draws for early Genius Rose. Moving up is Deputy Jazz, Pot's Love, and Dugo's Paramore. Heading towards the last 900. Antoine Dugo still in command by about 3. Deputy Jazz now running in second. Genius Rose in third. Pot's Love, and Dugo's Paramore in that order. Heading towards the last 600, the top favorite, Antoine Dugo, maintaining a 4 lengths lead over Deputy Just in second. Another 4 lengths back in third, Genius Rose. Pot's Love now fast approaching on the outside. And Dugo's Paramore is still trailing the group as they race to the final 450 for the first leg Juvenile Philly Stakes. It's still Antoine Dugo all by himself by about 5 lengths. Deputy Jazz remains in second. Fighting back by the rail is Genius Rose, and moving up Pot's Love with the last 100 to go for the 2010 Pilrocom First Leg Juvenile Philly Stakes. It's all Antoine Dugo. It's Deputy Jazz, Pot's Love, Genius Rose, and Dugo's Paramore.
Parang nag-workout lang. That, not disappointing its backers. Itong si Antoine Dugo.